Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel, and I have here the new collections for November's release that I have been working on almost day and night for the last week. I sure do like to push things very, very close. So I will take you through all of these. Let's get started. Firstly, here is the cute little freebie, which is on white matte sticker paper. So every order from this point onwards will be getting this freebie included. And it has a few deco stickers, the script, and then a couple of icons, some circles, and the swatches as well. So I do a different one every month. So if you've been ordering from me every month, you will notice that you get a different one. So collect them all. The first collection is the desk collection, which you would have seen me decorate my hobonichi cousin in, and this is printed on the new premium white matte sticker paper. So I will still offer the clear matte sticker paper and the premium matte sticker paper. What I'm going to note here though is that premium matte sticker paper is definitely more expensive than regular white matte sticker paper. So for the collections for November onwards will be at the new price for the premium matte, but any collections before November 2023 will still have the old price until the new year, just because with that many SKU numbers it's going to take me ages to update all the prices. But the November collections and the December collections with premium matte will be at the new price. Anything before that will reflect the old price until the end of 2023. And then starting January 2024, all the prices will reflect the new updated premium matte price. So this collection here has the deco sheet, and this was in a collaboration with Bleskit Canada, and they purchased these from me wholesale, which I'm so excited about. So if you are in the Brampton, Ontario area, go visit Bleskit Canada and you will see my stickers in their shop. Yay! So with this collection, it comes in either the premium matte or the clear matte, and you have the deco sheet, the swatches, and also the new dots. Very cool. You've got the circles as well as the quote and washi. So that is the first desk collection. The next collection is the Gingerbread house collection, and these are super cute. But like, there's just all the detail with the gumdrops and the candy canes and the shadows. And this one you can see is printed on the premium matte, but you can certainly get it on the clear matte as well. And you can buy the whole collection as a set of 4 sheets, or you can buy them individually. But then you have here the deco sheet. Like, how cute is that gingerbread gingerbread person? And then you have the swatches and dots, all made to match the main sheet here. And then you have these circles. What I like about these circles is they kind of look like the gumdrops, because I added that effect there to make them look extra shiny. And then you have the quote and washi. But just look at that. How cute is that? So that is the Gingerbread house collection. The next collection is the Nutcracker Collection, and I'm sorry, but how adorable is he? He kind of reminds me of my dad, because my dad also has a mustache, but like just that big, thick, bushy black hair. And what I like about this particular Nutcracker is that most Nutcrackers you see just look like rectangular blocks. There's no shape to them, but I wanted to add a bit of curvature to my Nutcracker. And just how adorable is he? So cute. So you have the deco sheet here, you have the matching swatches and dots, and then you have the circles made to match like the shadow and the highlights of the Nutcracker. And then the quote and washi, son of a Nutcracker. Of course I had to use that quote. And once again, this is available on premium matte or clear matte sticker paper, and there goes my printer, and available as a full collection, or you can buy them a la carte. So that is the Nutcracker collection. I had so much fun making the Nutcracker collection that I had to do a few more. So I did the Pastel Nutcracker collection. So you have this one with the pink, and then there's also the difference in the overall uniform. Like, look at how cute the cheeks are. And then this one here as well, just there's even the difference in the hair and some of the detailing. But this was so fun to make that I could certainly make a whole rainbow of them, but I think that was a bit overkill, but I really like the colors of this one. And then you have the matching swatches and dots. the circles, and then the quote and washi, and then the quote, let's get cracking, because they're nutcrackers. So once again, this is available as premium mat or clear mat, available as a 4-sheet collection or individually a la carte. So that is the Pastel Nutcracker Collection. Next, we have a collection that I wanted to do as a watercolor painting, but didn't think that I would get the effect that I wanted. So I did this in Procreate with watercolor brushes, and it is the Christmas lights collection. And I'm really proud of how these turned out, because like from far away, they just look so cool, but then up close you can see the detail. And I'm really proud of being able to translate this collection into Procreate, because you can certainly do this as a watercolor, but I didn't feel confident enough in my skills to do it on watercolor or with the supplies that I had. So I did this in Procreate, and I'm so glad with how this turned out. And this is currently printed on the clear matte sticker paper, but you can certainly get it on the premium matte. But I think the effect on the clear matte is really, really stunning. And then you have the matching swatches and dots, the matching circles, and I added extra effects on these circles as well, so they actually look like the lights themselves. And then you have the mini deco with the quote and the washi. Oh, so many lights. So once again, that is the Christmas lights collection. Again, hand drawn by me in Procreate, as all of these collections are. Then we have the poinsettia, or the watercolor poinsettia collection. I know this time last year I also released a poinsettia collection that I created in Procreate, but I wanted to do one where I painted using fountain pen ink, and I really love the way that that turned out, the detail, and just, oh my goodness. So this was all painted by me using fountain pen ink, and then I've scanned it and made it into stickers. So I think the watercolor stickers look best on clear matte, but that's my personal opinion. You can certainly purchase these as premium matte if you prefer. So that is the deco sheet. Then you have the swatches and the dots, the circles, and then the quote and washi. I tried to find a really good pun for a poinsettia, but it's so hard to find one. So this one was, hope your Christmas is on poinsettia. I know, it's corny. So that is the watercolor poinsettia collection. Then we have the Christmas vibes collection. I wanted something Christmassy and fun, and when it comes to some of the paintings, I really wanted this to just be whimsical and not too overly technical. So you've got the Christmas trees at the lot, you've got the ornament, Christmas stockings, and I love the colors of like the blue, gray, and the green, and the pink with the red. So you have that deco sheet, then you have the matching swatches and dots, the circles where I added a little bit more of the watercolor with the wet on the dry technique to get that effect, and then the quote and washi. You put the Mary in my Christmas. I love that. So what I like about this collection, one, I painted it using fountain pen inks, but two, they're not your typical Christmas colors, but it still feels very much in the spirit of the holiday. So that is the Christmas vibes collection. And then this was the thing that I've been working on for the last day or so. I know that we're all in planner setup mode, or some of us already set up their planners. I'm still waiting on my planners for 2024, but one of the things I really wanted to do is make tabs in different color schemes. So this is printed on premium matte, and we have the teal, it is teal, and then we have the brownish gray, and then the pink, and then the purple. This was brown on my Procreate, but now it looks gray. I might have to change the color and the naming of that. But these are tabs that can go into your planner. So instead of the regular rectangular shape, I actually made these so that they're round. And I'll show you what they look like. I did a test of them in my hobonichi week, so let me grab that. And I apologize in advance if they are crooked. I just wanted to test them out. I was so excited. So they fit perfectly in the hobonichi weeks, and what I like about the color is that that will help you line up where to put the tab. And I just think like the rounded shape is really, really interesting, and it's different from the regular rectangular shape. So those are the tabs, and you can get them in purple, pink. I will have to change the color of that. Is that brown, brown and gray, and then this one will have to be the color the name will have to be changed to, well, I don't know, it is kind of blue, it is kind of teal, maybe it's a blue ombre. But those are the tabs. They are available as premium mat. You can get the whole collection or you can get them individually. Lastly, there are 2 new vinyls coming to the shop. First is this vinyl with which says this planner belongs to, so you can put that perfectly into your planner. I'm gonna put a different page here, but yeah, you can put that into your planner like so, and you can write on it with a Sharpie. Definitely not a fountain pen, but you can write on it with a Sharpie. And then the second vinyl is actually the one in collaboration with Blessed Kit Canada. This was created by Shazia, and I helped to kind of clean it up a bit, but the artistry is all Shazia of Blessed Kit Canada, and just look at the detail on that as well. So that is a new vinyl coming to my shop, and Blessed Kit Canada will also have these in their shop. So you have This Planner Belongs to Me, which is exclusive to my shop, and then you have this one, which is in collaboration with Blessed Kit Canada. So there are all the new collections for release in November. I definitely delayed a little bit on cutting these very close, and I apologize for the delay in getting these out. I normally have releases on the Friday. I just was unable to get everything done in the time that I would like to and still be able to function like a normal human being if I wasn't going to get any rest. So I appreciate your patience with the slight delay with getting these out, and I am really happy that even though it's only a 1-day delay, I'm happy with taking that rest, because that means that this collection is exactly the way that I wanted it to be, and I didn't have to sacrifice my sanity for it. All right, so those are the new stickers that are coming out in my shop, and these will be released on Saturday, November 11th at 9 a.m. Eastern time, which is 7 a.m. Mountain time. And you can use the word holiday 23 to get 15% off all the items in my shop. And don't forget, I still have the Christmas collections from November last year, so you can combine them. And I'm so happy and so grateful for all of this here. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting my shop. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.